Okay, so this topic is fully clear. Articles, vowels A, E, I, O, U. What are the main vowels?
A,
A, E, I, O, U. So in the previous topic, we discussed about the main vowels and semi-vowels. So what are the main vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And what are the semi-vowels? What is the semi-vowels? H. H is known as the semi-vowel. Semi means adha vowel. But what are the main vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so now we will discuss about the uses of the. Uses of the. P-H-E, the. Now we will, these are the articles. A, N, the. And which topic we will discuss about now? Uses of the. Uses of the. Before discussing about the, I'm just drawing something on the board. See carefully. What is this? What is this, guys? What is this? Sun. What is this? Moon. This is what?
Moon.
Okay, this is what? Earth. This is Earth. Now, this is what? This is what? Ganga. Ganga what?
Ganga Nadi.
Ganga river. Ganga river. So these all things are what? Sun. In the world total how many sun? कितने sun है? सूरज कितना है? One. How many moon is there? One. How many earth is there? One. How many Ganga river is there? One. And let's draw one more thing. Have you ever seen this structure? This type of structure?
Yes, sir.
What is this? Taj Mahal. So how many Taj Mahal is there?
One.
How many Taj Mahal? One. All are one now. So all the things which is unique. All the things which is unique. Unique means अद्वितीय. वो दूसरा नहीं है, बस सिंगल पीस ही है. वो दुनिया में बस एक ही है. So that is called unique. That is called unique. So for all the unique things we have to use the. For all the unique things what we have to use the. Clear ना? For all the unique things, unique means दुनिया में बस वो एक ही है. Unique thing means दुनिया में एक ही है. So that is called unique things. Clear ना? There is only one piece. So sun is what? A sun, a sun, n sun or the sun? Tell me. How many sun is there? कितने sun है? One. So what we have to use? A sun, n sun or the sun? The sun. For unique things we have to use the. For unique things we have to use the. Unique thing means दुनिया में बस एक ही है. So for that what we have to use the. So the sun. About the moon, how many moon is there? कितने चांद है? One. So what we have to use? A, N or the? The moon. Earth, how many earth is there? One. So the earth. The earth. How many Taj Mahal is there? One. So the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal. How many Ganga river is there? One. So what? The Ganga river. The Ganga river. Let's draw one more thing. What is this?
Mountain.
Himalaya. So in the whole world how many Himalaya is there? पूरे दुनिया में कितने हिमालय हैं? One. So what we have to use? A Himalaya एन हिमालय और द हिमालय? द हिमालय. So is this clear? When we have to use the का use कब करेंगे? With the things, with those all things which is unique. जो कैसा है? Unique है. And unique means single piece in the world. पूरी दुनिया में एक ही पीस है, दूसरा पीस नहीं है. So with that what we have to use? The. इसके साथ क्या यूज करेंगे? The sun, the moon, the Ganga, the Narmada, the Tapti, the Brahmaputra, okay, the Godavari, the Himalaya, the Taj Mahal, the Earth. So uses of the is clear to everyone? Name means like which type of? With Kapil we can't use the. If you are world famous, अगर पूरी दुनिया तुम्हें जानता हो, then you can use the Kapil, okay? And if only few people knows you, that means you are just only Kapil. If you are famous, suppose this is Kapil, this is Kapil. There is two Kapil, okay? There is two Kapil. Suppose there is two Kapil.
Kapil Sharma and Kapil Park.
This is also Kapil, and this is also Kapil. About this Kapil, only his or her friend knows this Kapil, okay? बस इसके आसपास के लोग इस Kapil को जानते हैं. And about this, whole world knows about this Kapil. Whole world knows about this Kapil. पूरी दुनिया इस Kapil के बारे में जानता है. So with this Kapil we have to use the Kapil. इस Kapil के लिए क्या लगेगा? The Kapil. And for this Kapil, only Kapil. Okay, because this is Kapil, he is not world famous. He is not world famous. But this Kapil is world famous. So when something is world famous, जब कोई विश्व प्रसिद्ध हो, सारी दुनिया उसे जानता हो. So for that also we can use the. उसके लिए भी हम क्या लगा सकते हैं? The. Is this clear? So uses of and the is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Then form. Is there anyone who has got any confusion about the uses of the? Uses of the is clear? For which type of things we have to use the? Unique thing, which is unique thing. Unique means single piece in the world. There is no second copy. उसका कोई दूसरा copy नहीं है. So that is the first condition. With unique thing we have to use the. With unique things we have to use the. Now second condition, you know, degree.
Yes, sir.
Comparative degree. Okay, like first degree. Just one sec. When we discuss about degrees, like superlative degree. Superlative degree means like good,
Best.
better, and best.
Sir, there come BETTER.
Good, better, best. Good, better, and best. So with superlative degree we have to use the best. Tall, taller,
Tallest.
tallest.
Sir,
Tall,
there
taller,
come B. They are not come.
tall, taller,
Tallest.
tallest. So with what we have to use that? With tall,
Yes, sir. No, sir.
with taller,
No, sir.
with tallest.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because with superlative degree we have to use the. Superlative degree के साथ हम क्या लगाते हैं? The. The other word, old,
Older.
older,
Oldest.
oldest. Old, older, oldest. Was the second condition with superlative degree. Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So with superlative degree we have to use the. With superlative degree we have to use the. So which one is superlative degree? Like old.
No, sir.
Older.
No, sir.
Oldest.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So with superlative degree, what we have to use? The. Next option.
Honest. Sir, honest.
Fat. Okay, wait. Or like
Honest.
short. Short.
Shorter.
Shorter. Shortest. Short, shorter, shortest. So which one is the superlative degree?
Shortest.
Shortest. So before shortest, what we have to use? The shortest. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Next example. New. New means naya. N-E-W. New. New means naya. Naya. New means naya. New. Newer. Newest. New, newer, newest. So which one is superlative degree? Newest. So with newest, what we have to use? The. With newest, what we have to use? The. Is this clear?
Yes,
So what is the
sir.
condition with superlative degree? With superlative degree. With superlative degree, what we have to use? The. Superlative degree के साथ हम क्या लगाते हैं? The. Is this clear? With superlative degree, what we use, guys? The. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
So, okay, now we have discussed about two condition of the for unique things. For unique things. Unique things or world famous thing. World famous means सारी दुनिया जिसे जानता हो, सारी दुनिया जिसे जानता हो, that is also called world famous. जिसे सारी दुनिया जानता है उसे क्या बोलते हैं? World famous. And second is unique. Unique means single piece in the whole world. There is no second copy. उसका कोई photocopy नहीं है. So for that thing also we have to use the. Okay. Third condition with superlative degree. With superlative degree, what we use? The. With superlative degree, what we use? The. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. This is superlative degree. So the best, the tallest, the oldest, the shortest, the newest. Then now how to identify superlative? Superlative को कैसे पहचानते हैं? At the last, at the end, there will be EST, 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 EST. What will be the last three letters? EST, EST. And sometime most, sometime most, sometime what? Most. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Clear now? Okay. Beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. So what are the identification of superlative degree? What are the identification of superlative degree? One is EST. The last three letters. The last how many letters? Three letters. If the last three letter is EST, so that one is what? Which degree? Superlative degree. Superlative degree. What's the second identification? Most. M-O-S-T. Most. M-O-S-T. Most. If most is written, so that is also which degree? Superlative degree. Superlative degree. So identification of superlative degree is clear?
Yes, sir.
If the last three letter is E-S-T. E-S-T. So that one is superlative degree. Superlative degree. If the first one is most, if what is written? Most. M-O-S-T. Most. So that one is also what?
Superlative degree.
Superlative degree. Is this clear?
Sir, they are
Okay, just note down now. What?